is shining bright. New day, new things to make just right. Toolbox ready, boots in view. Here comes the leader of the Buildy Crew. Down by the river, splashing blue, a little wooden bridge broke in two. Teddy's stuck on the other side. The builder kneels and measures wide. Planks go click, the hammer sings. Careful hands fix broken things. Teddy cheers, the river flows. Another smile, another go. We're the Buildy Crew, helping what we can. Big ideas start with a helping hand. Step by step we try it new. Nothing's too hard for the Buildy Crew. Up on the hill where the tall grass sways, Luna's kite just flew away. Strings all tangled, frame bent wrong. The wind keeps blowing strong. Strong, strong. The builder bends and gently ties. Straightened sticks, looks to the skies. The kite lifts up, colors fly. Luna laughs as clouds pass by. We're the Buildy Crew, see what we can do. Fix it, build it, try again too. With a smile and a plan so true, we work together, the Buildy Crew. In the town where houses glow, a rusty gate won't open slow. Rex pushes hard, it creaks and cries. The builder listens, checks, then tries. Oil drop turn in one small screw. A gentle push now rolling through. The gate swings wide with a happy sound. Rex jumps up and spins around. We're the Buildy Crew, strong and kind, helping hands, open minds. If something's stuck or feels brand new, we figure it out, the Buildy Crew. Dark clouds gather, drip drop day. Milo's roof leaks, water spray. Buckets splash and puddles grow. The builder says, we'll fix it, go.
Ladder steady, careful climb. Shingle set, just in time. Rain slides off, the floor stays dry. Milo grins as storms pass by.
Sometimes plans don't work out right. Sometimes things take more than might. But take a breath, look around. Help is waiting, friends are found. In a garden full of sand, seeds won't grow the way they planned. Lines too close, no room to breathe. The builder draws beneath the trees. Rows spread wide, water flows. Sunlight warms, green life grows. Tiny sprouts peek through the land. Everyone claps hand in hand. We're the Buildy Crew, me and you, helping dreams come shining through. Build it small or build it new, we believe in the Buildy Crew. Sun goes down, the day feels right. Tools rest softly, stars ignite. New day waits with something new. Till then, goodbye from the Buildy Crew.